It's bleak, I know, but it's
If you'd have told me this time last year that I'd get into bell ringing, I'd have said you were having me on. I mean, we just moved house, and I was a bit gutted having to leave all my friends, my band, my life. And I know I love it now, but this time last year I felt like I'd been taken out of London and tonked on the moon. Don't ask.
I thought Aikido was supposed to be a non-combat sport.
It is.
Ow!
You need to take up a hobby where you don't get 10 bells knocked out of you every week.
Why not give this a try?
What's campanology?
That rings a bell.
Ha ha, very funny. It's bell ringing.
Oh.
Don't dismiss it, darling. I had a boyfriend once who did bell ringing. Did wonders for his biceps.
It's too much information, thank you.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Look, why didn't you go down to the church? I'm sure they'll show you the ropes.
I mean, I've always loved music, but I was in a rock band, not the church choir. And bells, well, I just didn't think they would be my kind of metal. Then again, it's not like I'd had much luck finding a new band around here.
Cheers, Lucy. Thanks very much. We'll be in touch.
Whatever. I just felt like I was out of sync with everyone else. Somehow I was dancing to a different beat, and I would never, ever fit in.
Hi Lucy, are you coming up? Until I get home.
You're the girl from the audition, aren't you?
Yeah,
If you like heavy metal, you'll really like this. Come and have a go.
okay.
As I climbed the stairs, I really wasn't sure what I was getting myself into, but let's face it, what did I have to lose?
And then you just do that and I'll take over.
But, you know, when I took hold of the Sally, that's the furry bit on the rope to you, and felt the weight of the half-ton bell on the end of it, well, I had a feeling of, I don't know, incredible power to think that I was in control of all that metal.
Straight down. Excellent.
When can I play a tune?
Okay, we don't actually play tunes at ringing. We do what's called ringing the changes. Okay, so.
And that's the night my luck started to change. I met a pretty cool bunch of people and surprised myself by how much I had enjoyed my first taste of ringing. Yeah, the bells were definitely beginning to work their magic on me. They were pulling me as much as I was pulling them. In no time at all, I was part of a team. I had to learn fast, so I didn't let the others down. Though, you learn pretty quickly that you'll never achieve perfection. Ringing sort of gets under your skin. After a while, you start to feel the rhythm, and that's when the buzz kicks in.
Here's to Lucy's first ring.
So there you are. After a year of hard work and good fun along the way, I'm proud to call myself a ringer. One of thousands around the world, which is a good feeling because wherever I go, I will never be out of sync again.
Loving what you're doing to me. You've got a motor like a brand new car, so start it up for me. Yes, yes, yes. Something in your sexy ways. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna love you all my days. You got a motor like a brand new car. Baby, start it up for me. Start it up, start it up. Make me feel like romancing. Start it up, start it up. got a motor like a